coming up tomorrow. So are we, like, I wonder if we're getting something new or something different. I don't know. There's a big change coming tomorrow, and you guys are going to want to see this. It may be 40 feet, maybe 48 feet. Well, we're something crazy going on. Yeah, Billy Bob. And if you guys don't know who Billy Bob is, watch the full video so you can find out. Shh, you're not supposed to tell him. Say, watch the whole video. Like, subscribe, show all your friends. We're on a mission. We're going to try something out. Get some speed. Do you have it on the right side?
It would be better if someone pushed you. Grace, come here.
Okay. You're too heavy, that's why it's not working.
Yeah, you got to quit walking where you push it. You want to pack it down.
Okay. Are you weed eating the snow?
What are you doing, Carter?
Good job. Look, get your thing. You dropped it. Uh-oh. You lost its nose?
Oh, it is nose.
What's the name of our snowman?
Billy Bob.
What is it, Carter? You picked it, right?
No, Silviano did.
You said Billy Bob? Carter. How long is Billy Bob gonna survive?
About the years.
1,000 years. What about you, babe?
I'm saying a week.
How long is Billy Bob gonna survive?
I don't know. It's 50 degrees out here right now.
Yeah, we'll see. We will definitely see. I tried to have Houston move it to a shaded area, but it kind of didn't work out very good for us. So we'll see how long it lasts. Day one of what's his name?
Day one of Billy Bob. Woohoo!
It is eyes.
So we just hung out today. We're kind of a little bit stressing, but a little bit hoping our camper makes it tomorrow.
Somebody is stressing. Somebody is stressing. I am not stressing. I've told you guys this, and I'll continue to say it. I'm not stressing it. It's
Billy Bob.
yeah,
Billy Bob. Yeah, Billy Bob.
Billy Bob. And if you guys don't know who Billy Bob is, watch the full video so you can find out. Shh, you're not supposed to tell them. Say watch the whole video. Like, subscribe, show all your friends. Yeah, we made a new friend today. His name's Billy Bob. If you guys want to check out more of that and see him until he goes away, I guess.
Yeah.
Not name is Billy Bob.
What the hell is it?
It's a tumbleweed. It's just a little tumbleweed.
What the heck? It looks like a freaking, it was like so perfectly round. It just looked like it was something running.
So yeah, we just hung out with the kids today in anticipation of what's showing up tomorrow. But yeah, so the kids made a snowman.
Yeah, that was a...
And it's called Billy Bob.
And Carter named him Billy Bob.
Carter named him Billy Bob. We put him... We're gonna drop a picture in the video. But yeah, so keep watching because we have some crazy stuff that's happening tomorrow. We have a big, long video we're gonna drop tomorrow. So you guys are gonna want to hit that like, subscribe, follow button, and wait for that video. We don't know what time anything is going on, but we're gonna go and get something, or something's happening. You guys are gonna want to follow because, yeah, you don't want to miss out.
I think trusting somebody else with something that's important to you is very difficult, and so I'm just gonna be happy when tomorrow comes and it's gone and we don't have to worry about it anymore.
So are we, like, I wonder if we're getting something new or something different or something. I don't know. There's a big change coming tomorrow, and you guys are gonna want to see this. It may be 40 feet, maybe 48 feet. Well, something crazy's going on. But like, subscribe, show our friends. Catch you guys on the next one. Don't miss out. Bow.